In this video, I'll show you how to easily replace colors inside of a photo or an image. Now, back in the day, I remember having to go through and select out the color I wanted to remove with a magic wand and then manually adjusting it. And nowadays, things have become a lot easier. So let's take a look at this tool. It's a really fun and easy tool to use, and it's just called Replace Color at the bottom of Image and Adjustments. We click on that, and basically we have this eye picker tool that we can select, and we can pick the color that we want, and the fuzziness is going to just basically control how much of that color we're actually selecting. So the lower it is, the less of that color it's going to pick. So we might pick a low fuzziness, and then just like other things inside of Photoshop, if I hold Shift, I can actually select more, and if I hold Alt or Option, I can deselect. So if I'm picking up too much of a color, I can remove that, and you see it changing here. So I can go ahead and pick something like this car, and we might need to do a more fine-tuned selection so that we're not picking up the ground. But basically, it allows us to pick a color and then adjust how much of that we're selecting. And then we can go in and change that color automatically. So I can come in here and pick like a green color, and you can see that it's adjusting in that image here. And the more that I select and add to that selection, the more that it will actually start changing out that color for me. And once I have this, if I don't like the color I chose, I can go in and select a new color, and it'll automatically, no, I didn't save it. Let me hit OK. It'll automatically select that for me. So this is a quick, fun, and easy way to change out colors in your image. Again, you might need to copy your layer and then make sure you're not picking up other things in the image. You can see that it started picking up some of these walls in the background. So I would probably select out this car still like I would do back in the day, but here I can come in and quickly adjust things like the hue and saturation and mess around with the colors and see the differences that it's going to make right away as I begin making these adjustments.